The powerful benefits of eating cucumber every day. Crisp, refreshing, and incredibly versatile, cucumbers are often underestimated in terms of their nutritional value. This humble vegetable, belonging to the gourd family, offers a plethora of health benefits that make it a worthy addition to your daily diet. From hydration to skin health, let's explore the powerful advantages of incorporating cucumber into your meals every day. Hydration Master. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, making them an excellent hydrating food. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for overall health, aiding in digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Snacking on cucumber slices or adding them to salads is a tasty way to boost your daily water intake. Rich in nutrients. Despite their high water content, cucumbers are not nutritionally empty. They contain essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients play vital roles in bone health, immune function, and antioxidant defense. Weight management. Alley. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an ideal snack for those aiming to manage or lose weight. The fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, the high water content contributes to a sense of satiety. Digestive health support. Fiber is a crucial component for digestive health, and cucumbers are an excellent source. The soluble fiber in cucumbers helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. Blood sugar regulation. Cucumbers may contribute to better blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cucumbers have the potential to lower blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Antioxidant defense. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants contribute to the prevention of chronic diseases and support overall well-being. Heart health booster. The potassium content in cucumbers is beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Including cucumbers in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support a healthy heart. Skin rejuvenation. Cucumbers are a beauty secret for radiant skin. The silica content promotes collagen production, contributing to skin elasticity and hydration. Applying cucumber slices or cucumber-based skincare products can also soothe irritated skin and reduce puffiness. Natural detoxification. Cucumbers act as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate toxins through urine. The hydration and nutrient content aid in kidney function, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Mood enhancer. Surprisingly, cucumbers may have a positive impact on mood. The presence of certain compounds has been linked to antidepressant effects, potentially contributing to improved mental well-being. Tips for including cucumbers in your daily diet. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of eating cucumbers every day, here are some creative and easy ways to incorporate this versatile vegetable into your meals. Refreshing salads. Toss cucumber slices into your salads for an extra crunch and hydration. Consider mixing cucumbers with tomatoes, feta cheese, and olives for a classic Greek salad, or experiment with various dressings to suit your taste. Hydrating infusions. Create refreshing infused water by adding cucumber slices to a pitcher of water. This not only adds a hint of flavor but also encourages you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Wholesome snacking. Keep cucumber sticks on hand for a quick and healthy snack. Pair them with hummus or yogurt-based dips for a satisfying treat that won't compromise your health goals. Cold soups. Explore the world of cold soups by blending cucumbers with yogurt, mint, and a touch of lemon for a cooling gazpacho. It's a perfect option during hot summer days. Cucumber rolls. Swap out traditional wraps with cucumber slices for a low-carb, nutritious alternative. Fill them with your favorite ingredients such as turkey, cheese, and avocado for a quick and satisfying lunch. Pickled delights. Homemade pickles are a delightful way to enjoy cucumbers while preserving their nutritional value. Experiment with different herbs and spices to create your signature pickling blend. Green smoothies. Boost the nutrition of your morning smoothie by adding cucumber. Its mild flavor won't overpower the other ingredients, and you'll benefit from the hydrating and nutrient-rich properties. Cucumber sushi. For a unique twist on sushi, replace traditional seaweed wraps with thinly sliced cucumber. Fill them with your favorite sushi ingredients for a light and refreshing alternative. Cucumber guacamole. Combine diced cucumbers with mashed avocado, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro to create a cucumber-infused guacamole. It's a flavorful dip that adds an extra nutritional punch. Cucumber skincare. Apart from consuming cucumbers, you can harness their skincare benefits by placing cucumber slices on your eyes to reduce puffiness, or creating DIY cucumber face masks for a spa-like experience at home. The benefits of eating cucumber every day extend far beyond their crisp texture and mild taste. By making cucumbers a regular part of your diet, you not only enhance your overall health, but also add a touch of freshness to your meals. Embrace the green wonder and discover the countless ways it can contribute to your well-being and culinary adventures. Incorporating cucumbers into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to reap numerous health benefits. From promoting hydration to supporting heart health and enhancing skin radiance, the green wonder proves that good things often come in humble packages. So, slice up a cucumber, toss it in a salad, or enjoy it as a refreshing snack. Your body will thank you for it.